cold, bro. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1GB Nozzle back here with another video, and today, guess what? I know we're looking at the cat back here in the background, but if you turn behind us, it's snowing. So we're gonna take the Hellcat out, get some good pictures. Not gonna do too much because we know this is a 650 horsepower car and the roads are actually terrible. If it's your first time seeing me on screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, and drop a comment. Let's go.
Hey, this man don't tuck his bodyguard. First time, man.
Now I'm cold.
Man don't tuck his bodyguard for the first time. First time ever.
Whew, that was fun.
No, your hand cold, boy.
I'm good.
No, them bitch cold.
I'm in now, bro. Bro, I'm gonna pull in the driveway and then go down there by the little asphalt place and then I'm bringing a bit back. Now, I ain't going too far. Bro, you gotta think it's a hill right there, bro. You probably not gonna make it up that hill. You don't make it up. Well, you gotta go back with it. I know what you're gonna say. I know what you're gonna say. I'm okay. I see you. Bro, get some gay ass. Bro, this man didn't put a ding-a-ling in my driveway, bro. Bro, what you doing? Put a ding-a-ling in my driveway, bro.
Hey, now it's time for the vagina.
Alright, bro.
I ain't finna do that.
Alright, look. We got the cat out. It's cold as hell out here. I'm really finna go sit my hands on my supercharger, bro, literally. I'm finna drive the car to get some of these dope ass pictures and some more cool ass shots. Not finna be doing all this crazy ass driving that y'all think I'm finna do. I ain't got nowhere to really do that. And the roads are dumb bad. So like, bro, I'm not risking my life for that.
Y'all know what happened.
That looks special ed, bro. I'm cold, bro. Alright, bro. Alright, man. We're finna try this shit. Know it's finna get a little sketchy out here. Oh, they cut my blinker on, not my wiper. I'm already selling the bad. Oh shit. Oh boy. Not too much. Ain't that bad. I feel like I'm finna get stuck already, bro. I feel like I'm finna get stuck.
That mindset.
Wow.
That mindset, definitely.
It really, because it's in eco. If I put it in sport, I feel like it starts sliding. I ain't gonna lie to you. feel like I'm trying.
That boy cold, man. Oh, I'm talking about, boy. I can't that, boy.
Boy. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Oh, I should have caught that damn camera.
So look, we done did a little bit of playing and dipping and dabbling in the snow, and I must say I see why people do it. It's kind of fun. I feel like a little kid at heart again. I feel like I'm like 5 years old with a driver's license, bro. And it's not that bad, but then again, I am respecting the name of the Hellcat, so I ain't trying to do too much because I don't want to end up in voices. But now we finna go on and get some of these smooth pictures to go on IG. Make sure y'all follow me. I'm gonna drop everything down below in the description. Hope y'all guys are really enjoying this video. I'm enjoying myself. I'm driving the Hellcat in the snow for the first time. Hey! Missed it the last time because my car needed the thermostat put in, which y'all gonna see that, and now we good. So I've had fun enjoying the snow this first time. Probably won't see this again for another 30 years. Hey! Oh. Hey! Hey. Go. Hey, look, man. Big shout out to her. I know she's up there looking down like I need to get my ass in the house or I'm gonna get sick. I know. I'm out here in the cold. Had to come out here to.
You got
Hey,
Come on,
man. Hey man, so you know, last video y'all seen the LEDs. A lot of y'all didn't like the finished product because I was in a dark garage or whatever. They're probably cooked because I'm out here in the snow. You see? Damn, they still work. Hey! LEDs still working. Ain't that something?
No.
But we gonna leave them off because once they get wet, they gonna be great. Alright, y'all, man. That's gonna be all for this video. But look, before we close it out, come show them the side of my car of the LEDs because they said they didn't get a good look at the finished product. Which I know now they're a little discolored because I just went out in the snow regardless, so I ain't tripping. And at the end of the day, I can just do it all over again if I need to. Thanks to God we got back safely. Nothing crazy happened. I didn't want to do too much, but I just want to have a little bit of fun with the Hellcat. Make sure to do all the good stuff y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And until next time, y'all stay safe out here. That's up.